Hey everybody, Jeremy here, just with another daily marketing video here. Today, going to go through how to install the pixel on Squarespace. So this is probably the simplest video I've done. It's going to be incredibly brief. However, I just want to make sure that I'm covering my bases. We're going to do Squarespace today, then we're going to do WordPress tomorrow, and then after that, we're going to actually get into campaign setup and optimization. So starting with, as we always do, we're in Facebook. We're going to go up to Ads Manager, all tools, over to Measure and Report, down to Pixels. And then once we go to Pixels, this is probably the most straightforward what pixel to install of any of the platforms. So going to go over to data sources as soon as it loads. And once it does, I can grab the pixel ID. And I'm just installing the pixel on my personal site. Very, very simple. Squarespace handles a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to this. And let's see if this is going to load. Oh, there it goes. Kind of. We'll try refreshing it one time, see if that works. There we go. So I got my pixel. I'm grabbing my pixel ID right below where it shows the pixel. Now I'm going over to Squarespace, right? So I'm just in the default Squarespace. I go to marketing. I go to Facebook pixel. I literally just copy paste in the pixel ID from there to there, hit enter, we're done. It is that simple. So Squarespace, if you needed to figure out how to install the pixel, very, very simple. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Like I said, doing the WordPress WooCommerce pixel install tomorrow. And then after we do that, we're going to do the catalog setup real quick. Catalogs are super important for dynamic product ads. And then finally, starting next week here, we're going to get into setting up actual campaigns and proper campaign setup, some a little bit more meatier content for everybody. So appreciate your patience, but just want to go through some of this basic stuff to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So have a great day, everybody, and happy marketing.